Cruise, baby. Is it gonna go up or no?
Yeah, it is.
It's a mortar.
It's a mortar.
Catch it. It's gonna go far up.
Kaboom!
Holy shit. Damn, that's a good one. Holy shit. Eric's like Harry Potter. Record it.
Is it gonna go up in the air?
No. Just gonna blow up.
Yeah! Dude, let's fucking go modify shit. Alright guys, we're having a firework war. Did you hear that?
Can
you see it?
Recording.
Shit.
Point up, dude. It's gonna go.
Point up. All the way up, just straight up. Yeah.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Are you getting it?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
The last one.
Damn.
Oh. I think we should have left the lid on it.
So crazy.
Oh. That it? Oh, that was okay.
We should have left the lid on
Did you get it?
Yeah, I got it, but
So bad. The little green
Yeah,
one
I
was
think-
better.
yes!
So crazy.
Nice. That's sick. That's actually pretty nice, dude. Whoa. Holy shit, that's loud.
Next color.
Ah! That hurts, dude.
Yeah. Oh. This is Shaw's homemade mortar.
Hey, and
that.
Mine.
Yeah. Let's go. Let's check it out.
And then mine.
There you go.
Wait, I forgot. How do we light this? We've never been to a place to light it.
Oh yeah. We just like put it out there. We're just like.
Wait.
Okay.
Dude, come on, please.
Alright.
Oh shit, helicopter.
Can we turn this light off?
No, wait.
Fuck, dude, helicopter.
I know. Oh shit, it's pointing towards us! Hey. Somebody get. Yeah, we're ready.
Ready?
Yeah.
The light's what kills it though, because that's how it needs like. Oh my goodness! Recording it, right? Recording it? Yeah? You're getting this shit perfect. Zoom in a little. Oh, actually, zoom out, my bad. Holy, dude, get over here, get over here. Oh my goodness. Dad's sick.
Dad's sick.
Stand back.
Something's on the ground.
Oh shit, dude, that's bad. That's really fucking bad.
Fuck.
He just keeps like. Okay, next.
Oh man, it didn't work.
The fuse went out.
That's bad. See, you guys fail.
Fail. Yeah, dude.
It's supposed to go all the way through.
We are. That's like an automatic disqualification.
There.
Ouch.
Ow.
Ah.
Eric.
You doing it in Easton? Look, dude, look.
Mortars, mortars, mortars. Dude, get this guy. Watch.
What was that?
I don't know what it is. Oh my goodness! Get that! Get that! Yeah, was that good or what? Fucking crazy. But it wasn't creative at all.